Makani Mall.
Okay. So here is the oven, and my mom's name is Beth.
Yeah, and it says it will take about 3 more minutes.
Oh, 3 minutes.
Yeah, to get our order.
I hope it will be yummy.
Alright, so let's just wait for it a little bit.
Okay. Hi guys. Right?
Yeah, they're finished making the dough in the kitchen, but at least you can see them make the pizza and bake the pizza.
I'm hungry. I can smell it.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, soon
Yeah.
our order will be ready.
Okay. Hi guys. We're still here and we're about to eat this, and we ordered the for meal. I think it will taste more better than pizza.
So it's half-half.
Yes, that's half pepperoni, half what do you call this?
Chicken Alfredo.
Okay. And this one is what do you call this?
I don't know, hot and spicy.
And this is my margarita.
And you got the side dishes
And there's some sauces.
and the drinks.
Yeah.
Alright, so enjoy.
I love this food.
Alright, bon appetit.
And bye. And don't forget to like it and subscribe to this video.